Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Dall E2 image generator as a beginner. So it is quite easy and you don't have to worry about it. Just sit back and relax and let's see how we can do it. So for that you need to open up your browser, and after opening up your browser search for Dall E and just open up this very first link that you will see, Dall E2 from OpenAI. Just open it up and scroll down. Here you will find this option of try Dall E or Dall E. So just click on it. Now if you already have an account on OpenAI, just use your account information to log in, and if you don't have any, then you can simply go for the sign up option, or you can use your Google's information or Microsoft account in order to log into OpenAI. So let me use my information to log in. After logging into your account, you will find this information. Just click on continue. Now it will give you this information that you can buy 115 credits for $15. So let's click on this option of start creating with Dall E for now. And after that, you can just simply type the prompt over here and click on surprise me in order to use Dall E2 on your mobile device. And also you can use this option of upload an image in order to upload an existing image, and after that you will be able to edit it out as per your needs and requirements, and it would be quite easy. And you can also buy the credits over here by clicking on this option of credits, because basically it's the credits that will be able to help you out in doing all the stuff on this platform of Dall E. So just choose the credits accordingly, how many credits you want, and the amount will be seen over on the top. So basically it starts with $15 and you will get 115 credits for it, and if you double the amount you will get 230 credits, and after getting the credits you will be able to use this Dall E. And this is how you use a Dall E platform as a beginner. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.